Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of Rig-Ready Rams, Rig-Ready Pros, and Rig-Ready Used. Somewhat new today though, and we'll call it street-ready Rams, guys. 1 out of 200, made for Canada, Ram 1500 DC650. This is a production truck built from Fox Racing and Direct Connection, which is based off a Forged Blue Sport we did ours in. It's got body kit that is only in one and only true to this truck. We got the wraparound headlights. Under the hood, which we'll show you, 5.7 liter supercharged engine producing 650 horsepower, guys. We got the chrome gold, my God. Gold accents with the stripes, the painted hooks, the bumper and all that stuff. We have an oversized front valence in the front for that nice aggressive appearance. 22-inch direct connection, twin spoke alloy wheels wrapped in 305 Michelin Pilot tires. So super sticky, nice fat tire for all the traction. Coming around the interior, as I mentioned, they basically just take a Sport and throw on the supercharged and some nice little touches here. So we got the heated seats with the leather and suede, 12-inch display, Alpine audio. We have the big Ram embroidered in the center with the 1 out of 200 with the VIN number, the horsepower, all the stats of the truck, which is super nice, almost like the TRX, the RHOs. Full-size crew cab, large than class as well. We got the 60/40 bench rear seat. This one comes from a direct connection with all-weather floor mats that are actually embroidered with direct connection as well. And then we come to the rear. We got, again, the nice deckling package from them as well. So 650 HEMI, again, 650 horsepower, supercharged. You got the MagnaFlow exhaust, which is also from factory. Nice Duckbill spoiler. They don't give you box liners in these, all right? But super nice. Truck, as I mentioned, is lowered about 3 inches. We got trailing arms that are all beefed up in the rear for all the maximum power you're going to put down to the wheels. It is a 2-wheel drive and a 4x4 option with over 11,000 pounds of towing, so you can still tow a trailer while having a lot of fun in the summer. You got the leather wrap steering wheel, guys. We got digital dash. We have navigation, 360 cameras. And then, like I said, we'll check out under the hood. So same thing, adaptive steering, even has active drive, which is a nice feature. But under the hood is where all the fun stuff is, guys, all right? So the cool thing they did too is they actually paint matched the blower to the trim. So big supercharged there is Whipple, which is nice. So a good brand behind it too, so you're not gonna have any issues down the road. The cool thing too, guys, is this is a factory built truck from Ram and Direct Connection. So it does have warranty. You're not avoiding anything on this truck, guys. So the way you see it came from Ram, Direct Connection, Fox Racing. So this truck still has full warranty, which is huge. And again, 650 horsepower, lowered fun little truck for the street is awesome. And as I mentioned, guys, there's only 200 of these for Canada. This is one of the first ones in Alberta and probably land in Canada, honestly. So if you want to be one of the first, give us a call, 780-942-3629.